English Uyghur Conversation Part 5 İngilizce Uygurca sözleşiş 5. kısım 17 Dialogue between friends 17. bölek Dostlar ara diyalog 1. How old are your kids? How old are your kids? Ballarınız kaç yaş kirdi? Ballarınız kaç yaş kirdi? 2. I'll be glad to see my kids again. I'll be glad to see my kids again. Men ballarımni qayta ko'rsam bek xursand bo'lardim. Men ballarımni qayta ko'rsam bek xursand bo'lardim. 3. I waited until 10 o'clock for your call. I waited until 10 o'clock for your call. Men telefonunuzni saat 10'gacha saqladim. Men telefonunuzni saat 10'gacha saqladim. 4. Did you receive a long distance call yesterday? Did you receive a long distance call yesterday? Siz tünügün bir uzun yolluk telefon qabul qildingizmi? Siz tünügün bir uzun yolluk telefon qabul qildingizmi? 5. After you are sick, you need complete rest. After you are sick, you need complete rest. Siz kesel bo'lgandan keyin to'liq aram elishingiz kerak. Siz kesel bo'lgandan keyin to'liq aram elishingiz kerak. 6. His work is not complete. He has more work to do. His work is not complete. He has more work to do. Uning xizmati tugmadi. Uning qildigan xizmatlari ko'p. Uning xizmati tugmadi. Uning qildigan xizmatlari ko'p. 7. Did you have a good time at the party last night? Did you have a good time at the party last night? Tünögün keştiki köngül içiş keçiligide köngüllük oynadınızmı? Tünögün keştiki köngül içiş keçiligide köngüllük oynadınızmı? 8. We had a good time on our vacation. We had a good time on our vacation. Biz aram eliş günlerinde naiti köngüllük oynadık. Biz aram eliş günlerinde naiti köngüllük oynadık. 9. Everyone often needs a complete rest from his work. Everyone often needs a complete rest from his work. Her bir adam daim hizmetten keyin to'liq aram elish kerak. Her bir adam daim hizmetten keyin to'liq aram elish kerak. 10. I'm going to the mountains for a rest. I'm going to the mountains for a rest. Men aram elish uchun taqqa bormoqchiman. Men aram elish uchun taqqa bormoqchiman. 11. Though we are taking a trip, the children must stay at home. Though we are taking a trip, the children must stay at home. Gerçi biz sayohatga borsakmi, bolalar uyda turishi kerak. Gerçi biz sayohatga borsakmi, bolalar uyda turishi kerak. 12. My car is old. It runs well though. My car is old. It runs well though. Gerçi pick-up'im konu bo'lsa-mu, yanala nihoyat yaxshi mangdi. Gerçi pick-up'im konu bo'lsa-mu, yanala nihoyat yaxshi mangdi. 13. I have no money at all. I have no money at all. Menda faqatli pul yo'q. Menda faqatli pul yo'q. 14. There is nothing in this box. There is nothing in this box. Sanduqda hech narsa yo'q. Sanduqda hech narsa yo'q. 15. The wife of my uncle is also my aunt. The wife of my uncle is also my aunt. Tağamning ayoli ham mening hammam bo'ldi. Tağamning ayoli ham mening hammam bo'ldi. 16. She's very sick. She can't get out of bed. She's very sick. She can't get out of bed. Onun kesili bek eğir bolgaç, u karvattın düşenmeydi. Onun kesili bek eğir bolgaç, u karvattın düşenmeydi. 17. Can you get out of class and go to town with me? Can you get out of class and go to town with me? Siz sınıftan ayrılıp men bilen şehirge bara alamsız. Siz sınıftan ayrılıp men bilen şehirge bara alamsız. 18. Does your wife do her own housework? Does your wife do her own housework? Ayalınız aile işlerini öz kılamdı. Ayalınız aile işlerini öz kılamdı. 19. She can't do the housework when she isn't well. She can't do the housework when she isn't well. U kesel bolup kalganda aile işlerini kılanmaydı. U kesel bolup kalganda aile işlerini kılanmaydı. 20. She's not married. She has no husband. She's not married. She has no husband. U toy kılmagaçka onun eri yok. U toy kılmagaçka onun eri yok. 21. The husband and wife are the parents of the children. The husband and wife are the parents of the children. Er bilen ayal balalarının ata-anası. Er bilen ayal balalarının ata-anası. 22. If I'm sick, I can't work. I have to rest. If I'm sick, I can't work. I have to rest. Kesel bolup kalsam hizmet kılanmayman. Aram almasam bulmaydı. Kesel bolup kalsam hizmet kılanmayman. Aram almasam bulmaydı. 23. We rest when we are not working. We rest when we are not working. Biz hizmet kılmagan vaqtimizda aram alamiz. Biz hizmet kılmagan vaqtimizda aram alamiz. 24. Have you been here a long while? Have you been here a long while? Sizning bu yerda turayotganingizga xeyli uzoq vaqt bo'ldimi? Sizning bu yerda turayotganingizga xeyli uzoq vaqt bo'ldimi? 25. After a while, she called him on the telephone. After a while, she called him on the telephone. Birdamdan keyin u uningga telefon berdi. Birdamdan keyin u uningga telefon berdi. 26. The husband of my aunt is also my uncle. The husband of my aunt is also my uncle. Ammamning eri hem mening tog'am bo'ldi. Ammamning eri hem mening tog'am bo'ldi. 27. My uncle and aunt don't live in the city. My uncle and aunt don't live in the city. Tog'am bilan ammam shaharda o'ltirishliq emas. Tog'am bilan ammam shaharda o'ltirishliq emas. 28. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear it. Bu xabarni anglab men bakmi azaplandim. Bu xabarni anglab men bakmi azaplandim. 29. She's much better now. She's much better now. U hozir ko'p yaxshi bo'lib qoldi. U hozir ko'p yaxshi bo'lib qoldi. 30. We are going to take a trip. We are going to take a trip. Biz sayohat qilmoqchimiz. Biz sayohat qilmoqchimiz. 31. I'm sure we'll miss the children. I'm sure we'll miss the children. Men jazmlashtirmanki bolalarni seg'inamiz. Men jazmlashtirmanki bolalarni seg'inamiz. 32. I'd like to take a vacation. I'd like to take a vacation. Mening bir ta'til qilg'im bor. Mening bir ta'til qilg'im bor. 33. I'll call you up this weekend. I'll call you up this weekend. Men hafta oxirida sizga telefon beraman. Men hafta oxirida sizga telefon beraman. 34. I'll be waiting for your call. I'll be waiting for your call. Men sizning telefoningizni kutaman. Men sizning telefoningizni kutaman. 35. Are you going to take the children? Are you going to take the children? Siz balalarını ilip baramsız. Siz balalarını ilip baramsız. 36. They'll have to stay here for school. They'll have to stay here for school. Ular bu yerda qilib qilib maktabda o'qish kerak. Ular bu yerda qilib qilib maktabda o'qish kerak. 37. If it doesn't rain, we may be able to go. If it doesn't rain, we may be able to go. Agar yomg'ir yog'masa, biz bora olishimiz mumkin. Agar yomg'ir yog'masa, biz bora olishimiz mumkin. 38. Even if the weather is good, we may not go anyway. Even if the weather is good, we may not go anyway. Hatta havo yaxshi bo'lgan taqdirdami, biz boramaymiz. Hatta havo yaxshi bo'lgan taqdirdami, biz boramaymiz. 39. The next plane should come in any minute now. The next plane should come in any minute now. Kelaki aeroplan hozirgi har qanday vaqtda kelishi mumkin. Kelaki aeroplan hozirgi har qanday vaqtda kelishi mumkin. 40. Their plane must have arrived by now. Their plane must have arrived by now. Ularning aeroplani cho'qim hozir yetib keldi. Ularning aeroplani cho'qim hozir yetib keldi. 18. Traffic signal. 18. bölek. Qatnash signali. 1. This is a busy street. The traffic is heavy. This is a busy street. The traffic is heavy. Bu bir qistonchilik ko'cha. Qatnash nihoyatda bisiq. Bu bir qistonchilik ko'cha. Qatnash nihoyatda bisiq. 2. The reason they were late was the heavy traffic. The reason they were late was the heavy traffic. Ularning kechikib kelishdagi sabab qatnashning bisiqligi. Ularning kechikib kelishdagi sabab qatnashning bisiqligi. 3. Traffic is usually heavy in the morning and in the evening. The traffic is usually heavy in the morning and in the evening. Qatnash odatda atgan va kechda bisiq. Qatnash odatda atgan va kechda bisiq. 4. I may go or may not. It doesn't make any difference to me. I may go or I may not. It doesn't make any difference to me. Men baray yoki bormay, uning menga farqi yo'q. Men baray yoki bormay, uning menga farqi yo'q. 5. Does it make any difference to you where I go? Does it make any difference to you where I go? Mening qayerga berishim bilan sizning nima aloqangiz bor? Mening qayerga berishim bilan sizning nima aloqangiz bor? 6. Most metals are heavy, but a few are light. Most metals are heavy, but a few are light. Ko'plagan metallar nihoyatda og'ir. Biroq oz sonliklari yengil. Ko'plagan metallar nihoyatda og'ir. Biroq oz sonliklari yengil. 7. His suitcase is very heavy. His suitcase is very heavy. Uning chamadoni bek og'ir. Uning chamadoni bek og'ir. 8. When we are sick, we go to the hospital. When we are sick, we go to the hospital. Biz kasal bo'lib qolsak, doktorxonaga ko'ringli boramiz. Biz kasal bo'lib qolsak, doktorxonaga ko'ringli boramiz. 9. After the accident, he went to the hospital. After the accident, he went to the hospital. Tasodifiy voqea yuz bergandan keyin u doktorxonaga berib davolandi. Tasodifiy voqea yuz bergandan keyin U doktorxonaga berib davolandi. 10. When I tell you to study, I meant it. When I tell you to study, I meant it. Sizni tirishib o'qining deganim samimiy so'zim. Sizni tirishib o'qining deganim samimiy so'zim. 11. He always means what he says. He always means what he says. Uning so'zi bilan harakati doim birdek. Uning so'zi bilan harakati doim birdek. 12. You can't do that, mister. You can't do that, mister. Efendim, siz undaq ish qilsangiz bo'lmaydi. Efendim, siz undaq ish qilsangiz bo'lmaydi. 13. Mr. Brown is a friend of mine. Mr. Brown is a friend of mine. Brown efendi mening bir do'stim. Brown efendi mening bir do'stim. 14. We should obey all laws. We should obey all laws. Biz barliq qonunlarga amal qilishimiz kerak. Biz barliq qonunlarga amal qilishimiz kerak. 15. I do what my instructor says. I obey him. I do what my instructor says. I obey him. Men instruktorning degini bo'yicha ish qilaman. Men uningga bo'ysunaman. Men instruktorning degini bo'yicha ishlayman. Men uningga bo'ysunaman. 16. You should never drive on the sidewalk. You should never drive on the sidewalk. Siz hargiz piyodalar yo'lida mashina haydamasligingiz kerak. Siz hargiz piyodalar yo'lida mashina haydamasligingiz kerak. 17. People should walk on the sidewalk. People should walk on the sidewalk. Kishilar piyodalar yo'lida menish kerak. Kishilar piyodalar yo'lida menish kerak. 18. You'll wind up in the hospital if you aren't careful. You'll wind up in the hospital if you aren't careful. Agar ehtiyot qilmasangiz, oqibatingiz doktorxonaga kirish bo'ldi. Agar ehtiyot qilmasangiz, oqibatingiz doktorxonaga kirish bo'ldi. 19. Where did you wind up last Saturday? Where did you wind up last Saturday? O'tgan shanba kuni sizlar qayerda xo'shlashgan? O'tgan 19. The Constitution of USA. 19. bo'lak. Amerikaning asos qonuni. 1. The police have authority to carry out the laws. The police have authority to carry out the laws. Saqchilarning qonunni ijro qilish huquqi bor. Saqchilarning qonunni ijro qilish huquqi bor. 2. The laws give some people authority over others. The laws give some people authority over others. Qonunlarning ba'zi kishilarga bergan huquqi boshqalarninkidan ustun. Qonunlarning ba'zi kishilarga bergan huquqi boshqalarninkidan ustun. 3. This book belongs to me, it's mine. This book belongs to me, it's mine. Bu kitob menga mansub, u meningki. Bu kitob menga mansub, u meningki. 4. These things belongs to the people. These things belongs to the people. Bu narsalar xalqqa mansub. Bu narsalar xalqqa mansub. 5. They made some changes in these books. They made some changes in these books. Ular bu kitoblarga ozroq o'zgartish kirgizdi. Ular bu kitoblarga ozroq o'zgartish kirgizdi. 6. There are a lot of changes in this city because it's growing. There are a lot of changes in this city because it's growing. Bu shahar taraqqiy qilayotganligi uchun nurg'un o'zgarish bor. Bu shahar taraqqiy qilayotganligi uchun nurg'un o'zgarish bor. 7. There are many nations in the world today. There are many nations in the world today. Bugungi dunyoda nurg'un davlatlar bor. Bugungi dunyoda nurg'un davlatlar bor. 8. A nation usually has its own government. A nation usually has its own government. Bir davlatning odatda o'zining hukumati bo'ldi. Bir davlatning odatda o'zining hukumati bo'ldi. 9. The government gets its power from the Constitution. The government gets its power from the Constitution. Bir hukumatning huquq kuchi asosiy qonundan keldi. Bir hukumatning huquq kuchi asosiy qonundan keldi. 10. Power is dangerous if the leaders do not use it correctly. Power is dangerous if the leaders do not use it correctly. Agar rahbarlik qiluvchilar huquqini to'g'ri ishlatmasa, u intayin xatarlik. Agar rahbarlik qiluvchilar huquqni to'g'ri ishlatmasa, u intayin xatarlik. 11. The laws of the country give the people freedom. The laws of the country give the people freedom. Davlatning qonunlari xalqqa erkinlik berdi. Davlatning qonunlari xalqqa erkinlik berdi. 12. We must learn how to use our freedom. We must learn how to use our freedom. Erkinlikimizni qandoq ishlatishni o'rganib olishimiz kerak. Erkinlikimizni qandoq ishlatishni o'rganib olishimiz kerak. 13. The president is the head of the US government. The president is the head of the US government. President Amerika hukumatining boshlig'i. President Amerika hukumatining boshlig'i. 14. Some governments get their authority from people. Some governments get their authority from people. Ba'zi hukumatlar xalqning qo'lidan huquqqa erishadi. Ba'zi hukumatlar xalqning qo'lidan huquqqa erishadi. 15. A constitution is a statement of basic laws. A constitution is a statement of basic laws. Bir asos qonun, asosliq qonunlarning tushuntirilishi. Bir asos qonun, asosliq qonunlarning tushuntirilishi. 16. The government gets its authority from the Constitution. The government gets its authority from the Constitution. Hukumatning huquqini asos qonun bergan. Hukumatning huquqini asos qonun bergan. 17. Does your country have a president? Does your country have a president? Davlatingizda president bormi? Davlatingizda president bormi? 18. The Constitution states the powers of the president. The Constitution states the powers of the president. Asos qonunda prezidentning huquqi haqida aniq belgilama bor. Asos qonunda prezidentning huquqi haqida aniq belgilama bor. 19. What I owe is my property. What I owe is my property. Manga ta'alluq bo'lganlar mening mol mulkim. Manga ta'alluq bo'lganlar mening mol mulkim. 20. Is that car his property? Is that car his property? Our pickup uning mol mulkimi? Our pickup uning mol mulkimi? 21. The Constitution protects the people. The Constitution protects the people. Asos qonun xalqni qo'g'daydi. Asosiy qonun xalqni qo'g'daydi. 22. Warm clothes protect me from the cold weather. Warm clothes protect me from the cold weather. Issiq kiyimlar meni sovuq havodan qo'g'daydi. issiq kiyimlar meni soğuk havadan qo'g'daydi. 23. People have many different religions. People have many different religions. Kishilarda nurg'un o'xshashmaydigan diniy e'tiqod bor. Kishilarda nurg'un o'xshashmaydigan diniy e'tiqod bor. 24. The Constitution lets us have the religious we want. The Constitution lets us have the religion we want. Asos qonun bizning diniy e'tiqod erkinligimizga ruxsat qildi. Asosiy qonun bizning diniy e'tiqod erkinligimizga ruxsat qildi. 25. He lives in the biggest and the newest state. He lives in the biggest and the newest state. U bir eng cho'ng ham eng yangi shtatda turdi. U bir eng cho'ng ham eng yangi shtatda turdi. 26. What's the name of the biggest and newest state in the US? What's the name of the biggest and the newest state in the US? Amerikadagi eng cho'ng va eng yangi shtatning ismi nima? Amerikadagi eng cho'ng va eng yangi shtatning ismi nima? 27. The Declaration of Independence was accepted by the colonies in 1776. The Declaration of the Independence was accepted by the colonies in 1776. Mustaqil xitobnomasi 1776 yili mustamliklar tarafidan qabul qilingan. Mustaqillik xitobnomasi 1776 yili mustamliklar tarafidan qabul qilingan. 28. Mrs. Keystone accepted the books for her husband. Mrs. Keystone accepted the books for her husband. Kingston hanım eriga vakolatan bu kitoblarni qabul qildi. Keystone hanım eriga vakolatan bu kitoblarni qabul qildi. 29. We often make amendments to our laws. We often make amendments to our laws. Biz doim qonunlarimizga tuzitish loyihasi o'ttirib qo'yamiz. Biz doim qonunlarimizga tuzitish loyihasini o'ttirib qo'yamiz. 30. I didn't like the amendments they made. I didn't like the amendments they made. Men ular o'ttirib qo'ygan tuzitish loyihalarini yaxshi ko'rmayman. Men ular o'ttirib qo'ygan tuzitish loyihalarini yaxshi ko'rmayman. 31. The Bill of Rights is very important to us. The Bill of Rights is very important to us. Huquq qonun loyihasi biz uchun intayin muhim. Huquq qonun loyihasi biz uchun intayin muhim. 32. The Bill of Rights states things the government may not take away from the people. The Bill of Rights states things the government may not take away from the people. Huquq qonun loyihasida izhor qilingan ishlar hukumat xalqning huquqini tortib olsa bo'lmaydi. Huquq qonun loyihasida izhor qilingan ishlar hukumat xalqning huquqini tortib olsa bo'lmaydi. 33. There aren't many colonies left today. There aren't many colonies left today. Bugungi kunda mustamlikdan hech qancha qolmadi. Bugungi kunda mustamlikdan hech qancha qolmadi. 34. A colony usually does not govern itself. A colony usually does not govern itself. Bir mustamlika odatda o'ziga o'zi hukmronlik qilolmaydi. Bir mustamlika odatda o'ziga o'zi hukmronlik qilolmaydi. 35. Susan completed all of her language course in 3 years. Susan completed all of her language courses in 3 years. Susan 3 yil ichida o'rgangan asosli til darslarini tamomlab bo'ldi. Susan 3 yil ichida o'rgangan asosli til darslarini tamomlab bo'ldi. 36. Tom completed his flying training last month. It took about 2 years. Tom completed his flying training last month. It took about 2 years. Tom 2 yıl sarf qilib o'zining uchish kursini oldingi oyda tamomladi. Tom 2 yıl sarf qilib o'zining uchish kursini oldingi oyda tamomladi. 37. The president's authority to govern comes from the people. The president's authority to govern comes from the people. Presidentning hukmronlik qilish huquqi xalqdan kelgan. 38. The person who governs the state is a governor. The person who governs the state is a governor. Bir shtatni boshqaradigan odam shtat boshlig'i deb ataladi. Bir shtatni boshqaradigan odam shtat boshlig'i deb ataladi. 39. The US war for independence lasted 8 years. The US war for independence lasted 8 years. Amerika'nın mustaqillik urushi 8 yıl davomlashgan. Amerika'nın mustaqillik urushi 8 yıl davomlashgan. 40. Real independence is hard to get and hard to keep. Real independence is hard to get and hard to keep. Haqiqiy mustaqillikni qo'lga keltirmak qiyin, saqlab qolmoqmi qiyin. Haqiqiy mustaqillikni qo'lga keltirmak qiyin, saqlab qolmoqmi qiyin. 41. Most countries are now independent. Most countries are now independent. Nurg'un davlatlar hozir mustaqil bo'ldi. Nurg'un davlatlar hozir mustaqil bo'ldi. 42. No people today are completely independent. No people today are completely independent. Bugungi kunda tamamen mustaqil odamlar yo'q. Bugungi kunda tamamen mustaqil odamlar yo'q. 43. Many countries have kings instead of presidents. Many countries have kings instead of presidents. Ko'p davlatlarda prezidentning o'rniga podshoh bor. Ko'p davlatlarda prezidentning o'rniga podshoh bor. 44. The king governs the country. The king governs the country. Podshoh davlatni boshqaradi. Podshoh davlatni boshqaradi. 45. Most people follow the leaders of their country. Most people follow the leaders of their country. Ko'p sondagi xalq o'zining davlat boshlig'ini himoya qildi. Ko'p sondagi xalq o'zining davlat boshlig'ini himoya qildi. 46. He is the leader of his class. He is the leader of his class. U uning sinipining boshlig'i. U uning sinipining boshlig'i. 47. We represent our own country when we are in another country. We represent our own country when we are in another country. Biz boshqa davlatga vaqtimizda o'zimizning davlatiga vakillik qilamiz. Biz boshqa davlatga vaqtimizda o'zimizning davlatiga vakillik qilamiz. 48. Free speech lets us say what we want to. Free speech lets say what we want to. Söz erkinligi bizni ko'nglimizda nima bo'lsa shuni deyishga yo'l qo'ydi. Söz erkinligi bizni ko'nglimizda nima bo'lsa shuni deyishga yo'l qo'ydi. 49. The speakers gave a good speech yesterday. The speakers gave a good speech yesterday. Bu nutq so'zligichi tunugin ajoyib yaxshi nutq so'zladi. Bu nutq so'zligichi tünögün acayip yaxşı nutuk sözlü. 50. The Constitution gives us many basic rights. The Constitution gives us many basic rights. Asas kanun bizge köpligen asas hukuklarını berdi. Asasi kanun bizge köpligen asas hukuklarını berdi. 51. I have the right to own property. I have the right to own property. Mening özümning mal mülkiga egidorchilik qilish huquqim bor. Mening özümning mal mülkiga egidorchilik qilish huquqim bor. 52. I learned a lot of English in the United States. I learned a lot of English in the United States. Ben Amerika'da nurgul İngilizce öğrendim. Ben Amerika'da nurgul İngilizce öğrendim. 53. The people give the powers to the government. The people give the powers to the government. Xalq hükümetke intayin çoğun hukuk bergen. Xalq hükümetke intayin çoğun hukuk bergen. 20. In a barber shop. 20. bölek satraşxanda. 1. All right, you can come in now. All right, you can come in now. Yaxşı, hazır kırsınız boldu. Yaxşı, hazır kırsınız boldu. 2. Everything will soon be all right. Everything will soon be all right. Hemme iş tezla yaxşınıp ketidi. Hemme iş tezla yaxşınıp ketidi. 3. Will he come back to the school? Will he come back to the school? U bu mektep qaytib kelamdi. U bu mektep qaytib kelamdi. 4. My friend come back home after a long time. My friend come back home after a long time. Dostum uzaq mezgil ailesinden ayrılgandan keyin ahiri qaytib geldi. Dostum uzaq mezgil ailesinden ayrılgandan keyin ahir qaytib geldi. 5. His hair is too long. He needs a haircut. His hair is too long. He needs a haircut. Onun çeçi bek uzun. Çeçini aldırıç lazım. Onun çeçi bek uzun. Çeçini aldırıç lazım. 6. Do you like my haircut? Do you like my haircut? Aldırgan çeçimni yaxşı göremsiz? Aldırgan çeçimni yaxşı göremsiz? 7. The friends partied when they finished school. The friends partied when they finished school. Ular mektep pütürgen çağda dostlar ayrılıp geçişti. Ular mektep pütürgen çağda dostlar ayrılıp geçişti. 8. Many people soon part with their money. Many people soon part with their money. Köp kişiler nait tezla pullarını harclap buldu. Köp kişiler nait tezla pullarını harclap buldu. 9. The barber uses scissors to cut hair. The barber uses scissors to cut hair. Satraş kağıtçı bilen çaş yasaydı. Satraş kağıtçı bilen çaş yasaydı. 10. Be careful, scissors can be dangerous. Be careful, scissors can be dangerous. Pəxəs bulun, kağıtçı nait xəterlik. Pəxəs bulun, kağıtçı nait xəterlik. 11. We use electricity to light our house. We use electricity to light our house. Biz elektroni uyimizni yoğurtuş için işletimiz. Biz elektroni uyimizni yoğurtuş için işletimiz. 12. In many countries, people use water to make electricity. In many countries, people use water to make electricity. Nurgun devletdeki kişiler suni işletish orqali tok chiqirdi. Nurgun devletdeki kişiler Suni işletish orqali tok chiqardi. 13. The people in the entire country speak English. The people in the entire country speak English. Bütkül dövlətdəki kişilərin hamısı ingilis sözləydi. Bütkül dövlət kişilərin hamısı ingilis sözləydi. 14. The entire school is taking a trip to the city hall. The entire school is taking a trip to the city hall. Məktəbdəki bütkün o'quvchilar şəhərlik hökumət binasını ekskursiya qılatıdı. Məktəbdəki bütkül o'quvchilar şəhərlik hökumət binasını ekskursiya qılatıdı. 15. My parents used to operate a small restaurant near the train station. My parents used to operate a small restaurant near the train station. Ata-anam burun daim poyezd istansiyasının yanındaki bir küçük aşxanını açattı. Ata-anam burun daim poyezd istansiyasının yanındaki bir küçük aşxanını açattı. 16. Sometimes cities operate public transportation systems. Sometimes cities operate public transportation systems. Bazı çağda şehirler ommaviy transportçılık sistemini başkurdu. Bazı çağda şehirler ommaviy transportçılık sistemini başkurdu. 17. The company owns the transportation system. The company owns the transportation system. Bu şirket transportçılık sistemiga ega. Bu şirket transportçılık sistemiga ega. 18. He doesn't own a car or a bicycle. He walks or rides the bus. He doesn't own a car or bicycle. He walks or rides the bus. Onun özünün ya bir pikapi ya velosipedi yok. O piyada mаңыды yoki avtobusga tushidi. Uning o'zining ya bir pikapi ya velosipedi yok. O piyoda mаңыды yoki avtobusga tushidi. 19. The streetcar runs on tracks. The streetcar runs on tracks. Tramvay özünün relsida mаңыды. Tramvay özünün relsida mаңыды. 20. He knows how to run the machine. He knows how to run the machine. O bu mashinani qanday qilib harakatga keltirishni biladi. O bu mashinani qanday qilib harakatga keltirishni biladi. 21. Subway trains run on the ground. Subway trains run on the ground. Yer asti temir yo'l poyezi yer ostida mаңыды. Yer asti temir yo'l poyezi yer ostida mаңыды. 22. Subway trains are usually very fast. Subway trains are usually very fast. Yer asti temir yo'l poyezi odatda bak tez mаңыды. Yer asti temir yo'l poyezi odatda bak tez mаңыды. 23. The transportation system in this city is good. The transportation system in this city is good. Bu şəhərnin transportçılıq sistemisi nəhayət yaxşı. Bu şəhərnin transportçılıq sistemisi nəhayət yaxşı. 24. We have a good system of roads in the US. We have a good system of roads in the US. Bizning Amerikada nəhayət yaxşı çoğ yollar sistemisi var. Bizning Amerikada nəhayət yaxşı çoğ yollar sistemisi var. 25. Railroad trains run on track. Railroad trains run on track. Poyezdlar relslarda mаңыды. Poyezdlar relslarda mаңыды. 26. When we walk in the woods, we leave tracks. When we walk in the woods, we leave tracks. Biz ormanlıqda mаңғанда iz qaldırırız. Biz ormanlıqda mаңғанда iz qaldırırız. 27. I need a a transfer to get on another bus. I need a transfer to get on another bus. Manga yana bir avtobusga chiqishga mashina almashtirish biletidan birisi lazım. Manga yana bir avtobusga chiqishga mashina almashtirish biletidan birisi lazım. 28. Did you get a transfer from the bus driver? Did you get a transfer from the bus driver? Siz avtobus şoförüden mashina almashtirish bileti aldınız mı? Siz avtobus şoförüden mashina almashtirish bileti aldınız mı? 29. People cannot live without water. People cannot live without water. İnsanlar su bulması yaşanmaydı. İnsanlar su bulması yaşanmaydı. 30. How does he make his living? How does he make his living? U turmuşunu qandaq ötküzüvatıdı? U turmuşunu qandaq ötküzüvatıdı? 31. How much money does he make? How much money does he make? U qancha pul topadi? U qancha pul topadi? 32. The president is going to make a speech. The president is going to make a speech. Prezident bir nutuq sözlemekçi. Prezident bir nutuq sözlemekçi. 33. He's very shy and he doesn't make friends easily. He's very shy and he doesn't make friends easily. U naayeti nomuschan bo'lg'achqa, u osonlikcha do'st tutolmaydi. U naayeti nomuschan bo'lg'achqa, u osonlikcha do'st tutolmaydi. 34. I'm making an effort to learn English. I'm making an effort to learn English. Men İngiliz tilini tirishib o'rganyapman. Men İngiliz tilini tirishib o'rganyapman. 35. If you'll wait a minute, I'll make some coffee. If you'll wait a minute, I'll make some coffee. Agar birdam saqilsangiz, men ozroq qahva damlay. Agar birdam saqilsangiz, men ozroq qahva damlay. 36. I have so much work to do that I don't know where to begin. I have so much work to do that I don't know where to begin. Mening qildigan ishlarim bek ko'p bo'lg'ach, qayerdan boshlashimni bilmadim. Mening qildigan ishlarim bek ko'p bo'lg'ach, qayerdan boshlashimni bilmadim. 37. I asked him to do me a favor. I asked him to do me a favor. Men uning menga bir yordam qilishini o'tindim. Men uning menga bir yordam qilishini o'tindim. 38. Do you have many errands to do? Do you have many errands to do? Sizning sirtqa chiqadigan ishlaringiz ko'pmi? Sizning sirtqa chiqadigan ishlaringiz ko'pmi? 39. I always have breakfast at 7:30. I always have breakfast at 7:30. Men doim soat 7:30da nashta qilaman. Men doim soat 7:30da nashta qilaman. 40. He doesn't make much money. He doesn't make much money. U ko'p pul topolmadi. U ko'p pul topolmadi. 41. That doesn't make any difference to me. That doesn't make any difference to me. U ishning menga hech qanday ixtilof qildigan yeri yo'q. U ishning menga hech qanday ixtilof qildigan yeri yo'q. 42. Spring weather makes us sleepy. Spring weather makes us sleepy. Ayet yazning havası uyqumizni keltirdi. Ayet yazning havası uyqumizni keltirdi. 43. What are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow? Siz ayetda nima ish qilmoqchi? Siz ayetda nima ish qilmoqchi? 44. What kind of work does he do? What kind of work does he do? U qaysi xildagi xizmatni qilyapti? U qaysi xildagi xizmatni qilyapti? 45. I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. Mening qildigan xizmatlarim nihoyat ko'p. Mening qildigan xizmatlarim nihoyat ko'p. 46. I have an appointment with the doctor. I have an appointment with the doctor. Mening doktor bilan bir uchrashishim bor. Mening doktor bilan bir uchrashishim bor. 47. I never have dinner in a restaurant. I never have a dinner and in a restaurant. Men hergiz restoranda tamak yemeymen. Men hergiz restoranda tamak yemeymen. 48. I want to have my car washed. I want to have my car washed. Men mashinamni yuvishga olib berman. Men mashinamni yuvishga olib berman. 49. All of us are getting older. All of us are getting older. Hammamiz asta-asta qeriymiz. Hammamiz asta-asta qeriymiz. 50. Please tell me what you said. Please tell me what you said. Siz nima deganligingizni menga aytib bersangiz. Siz nima deganligingizni menga aytib bersangiz.